Hey guys, if you're having issues logging into your Epic Games account, either you're getting an error message or it just keeps returning you to the login page, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this. First thing we need to do is head to our start menu by pressing the Windows key, and you want to search for run and then just select the run icon. Inside of here you want to type in %, local app data %, and hit enter. Scroll down until you find the Epic Games and the Epic Games launcher folders. And then we simply want to delete these two folders by selecting them and then right-clicking and coming into the trash icon. These are just cache files, so don't worry about deleting these folders, as they're automatically recreated when you launch the app. If your computer is not letting you delete the two folders, that is because you have the Epic Games client running in the background. So just press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard to bring up the task manager. Then in this search box up here, you want to search for Epic. And then just make sure to close down any processes that are relating to the Epic Games client. Then you can come back to your folder and try deleting them again, and then that should work. Once you've successfully deleted the folders, try logging back into the Epic Games client to see if that solved the issue. Otherwise, move on to the next method. So the next solution is to repair the client, which will make sure none of our files are corrupt, which we can do by heading to the start menu and searching for the word control panel. Select the control panel icon and click uninstall a program. Use the search box to search for Epic and locate the Epic Games launcher, and you just want to right click this and come into repair. This will take a couple of minutes to complete, and once we've done this we can then launch the Epic Games client again and try logging in once more. Now if you've tried all of these methods and you still can't log in, the last and final thing we can do, guys, is to disable full screen optimizations and to make sure you're running the app as an administrator. Head over to your desktop and find the Epic Games launcher and right click this and come into properties. Then come over to the compatibility tab and ensure that you've got disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator checked. And then press apply and OK to save the changes. If that's still not solved the issue, then the only thing left to do is completely uninstall and reinstall the app. Just head to the start menu and search for programs, select the add or remove programs, and then from here we can scroll down to find the Epic Games launcher, and you just want to select these three little dots and hit uninstall. Once we've uninstalled it, we can head back to the Epic Games website to re-download the app. Hopefully by following all of these steps your login issues are now fixed, but if you still are experiencing problems, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.